location of your emergency?
I'm at West Bilby Road, and I would like to say something. My neighbor from across the street, which is, I think, she's over here in hysterics because, I don't know, has had a mental breakdown. And for me to be calling you right now is just unbelievable because she's lived there for 15, 20 years and never has ran across the street.
Because I want you to try to put her on the phone if you're able to.
Okay, hang on. No, I can't. I don't think she's going to get the phone.
Because I kind of need to know what's going on and how he's handling it.
Huh?
So I kind of need to know what's going on because all we know right now is
there's a problem across the street.
Hysterical.
I mean, I don't know if if he has a gun. I mean, we don't know.
So what did she say? Word for word, what did she say to you guys?
Hello?
Is this?
Hello?
Is this?
Yes.
Okay. What's going on?
I need somebody to come because he's threatening to kill himself.
Okay. Does he have a weapon? Gun. He has a gun. Okay. And he's back inside?
He's inside the house. But he said he was going to do it.
Was it in his hand?
He had nothing to live for.
Does he have it in his hand?
I beg your pardon?
Did he have it in his hand?
Yes, he did.
Okay.
Yes, he did.
And you're across the street?
Okay, I'm running across the street.
Okay, stay over there for now. He's back inside.
Up in the air.
He shot up in the air? Okay.
Yes. My brother and my son are on
Everyone
the front
go
yard.
inside. Tell your son to come inside and your brother inside too.
Okay.
Right, he shot up in the air, and then what did he do?
Gave my brother, my son, that white dog.
Gave him the dog? Did he go back inside or no? I don't want you guys looking.
He's inside now. He's going inside right now.
Okay, true, but
I can see him.
what did he do?
Okay, he's shooting. Okay. But I think I saw, I think a copter out here. I think that copter. Oh my God.
2 shots.
Okay.
Let me step out. Hold on. Stop her. Stay in the car. Wait a minute. He's right there.
Are you gonna move the car?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, move up slowly. Hey, stop! One Tom 6-1, shots fired. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, move up slowly. Hey, stop!
Is the sister of Matthew Salinas, the 43-year-old man who was shot and killed by a Tucson police officer in this driveway of their home in the 100 block of Bilby Road.
I'm missing why wasn't disarming an option, why wasn't less lethal an option, why weren't these things explored, because I know that they're there.
I spoke with Stephanie just steps away from where Matthew lost his life. She explains that since childhood, Matthew has dealt with depression and a serious mental illness.
He was, I think, bullied often when he was a kid, and that may have been part of his depression and things like that, but he was adamant that he didn't want anybody to feel bullied.
On October 26, Tucson police received a call from a neighbor about a man in crisis and responded to their home at around 9:30 p.m. Police arrived on scene, and according to officers, they found Salinas in the driveway armed with a firearm. TPD says they tried to communicate with Matthew before he fired multiple rounds, leading officers to shoot him, and he died shortly after. According to his family, though, they were notified of his death hours later.
We haven't even called the medical examiner's office. I'm usually the one that will take care of things like that, kind of getting things set up, getting things in order, getting answers. And I can't start this time. I don't know what it is. I've just been procrastinating.
The investigation is now being led by the Pima County Sheriff's Department under the Pima Regional Critical Incident Team. I reached out to PCSD for more information, including, for instance, whether or not a member from TPD's mental health support team responded that night. PCSD did not send any additional details. However, we're told a release about this incident will be released soon. Today, Matthew's family is slowly trying to get back to a sense of normalcy. They only hope that no family has to endure the pain they're feeling now.